Hello Keatsburn 2019 burners and dreamers. This is our short instructional video to show you how to use the Dreams platform in order to vote for which art projects get funded this year, and if you're a dreamer with an art project and wish to apply for a grant, how to go about using the platform to make sure people will vote for your dream. So let's jump right in there. First of all, you'll have to go to dreams.keatsburn.org, click on the register button and fill in your email address. Very important, this has to be the same email address you've used to acquire your pass at burnertickets.com. Now fill in your desired password and click sign up. After this, you'll be able to access the platform fully. Another very important thing, we kindly ask you to remember to vote for Dreams. You do this by going to the Me section, and you'll notice you have 10 available grants or tokens, also referred to as hearts. How to use your tokens? You'll have to navigate back to the home page where you can check out all the dreams people have submitted. Get nice and cozy and read up on all the cool art projects that are available and decide which ones you love the most. Small side note, if you wish to volunteer to help any of the dreamers, feel free to use the Add My Name button and the dreamer will get in touch with you. Now, once you've made up your mind, use the Donate to Dream button and you'll be asked how many of your 10 hearts or tokens you wish to contribute to this dream. Set the number, click Donate to Dream again, and that's how you made a great contribution to our cultural event. If you have any other questions or you're not sure about something, we have a handy FAQ section on the website, a Facebook page and a Lumio discussion board platform, which we encourage you to join and ask away and get some clear ideas about Keatsburn. Now, if you're a dreamer, you'll be curious about how to actually submit a project in order to get an art grant. Let's take a look. We suggest to first of all take a good look at the Dreamer Manual. It's a Google document with all the ins and outs of each step required to make sure your dream becomes a reality. It also talks about how to join our Lumio discussion boards. Check out the link to the document in the description or the comments. Now, to actually submit a dream. Click the Create a Dream button and you'll be taken to the Dream registration form. Here you will fill in all the relevant data with as much detail as possible. Be sure to refer to the Dreamer Manual if anything is unclear. All these fields can be edited later, except the budget section, so please make sure you have a well-detailed and thought-out list of what you're gonna need funding for. For the background field at the bottom, add any info on your experience, link us to your portfolio or your personal website. Give us a taste of what you're all about. When you're done filling in all the appropriate data, click the Create Dream button and you'll be able to see your dream on the main page. And that's all there is to it. Happy dreaming, burners!